then ugogo Skhotheni is again on the social media futhi guys ubusy futhi izitori zakhe uyazazi-ke. If it's not her talking about people talking trash about people, it's her kuthiwa ukoleta u-15,000 ukoleta some lady nayo ugogo kanjengaye. I mean, who is into spiritual healing and all of those things. Sisters also has some businesses. She was talking on TikTok everywhere ukuthi how angangiqoli yini lo sisi lo uTumi ugogo Skhotheni imali yami u-15,000 ungiqola kanjani na le mali yami, she takes my money kanjani mina. She calls me and says to me, no, I must come and do an interview kwi-podcast yakhe. No problem, because I've got businesses. People want to know how am I getting ahead in life with my businesses and all of that thing. How did I make it from zero to where I am now? She says this lady, she's also into real estate as well. So she's like, okay, let me just go. How can even a podcast help me? But guys, my thing is that ugogo Skhotheni, why did she want 15,000 from her sisters to be on your podcast? Why must I pay you? Like, I guess even YT is still gonna pay you. Why am I paying you? So people are asking that on social media. Ugogo Skhotheni just gave this lady 15,000. Okay, and also sisters, how it happened is that she came for the podcast with ugogo Skhotheni with 15,000 rands cash, guys. But you know, the podcast was not even aired. Maybe let's put it that way by ugogo Skhotheni, because there's some things that they didn't agree upon. And then she's also saying ugogo Skhotheni uhlaza. She's very, very rude, controlling, and she's all sorts of things. The way she was speaking to her, in all she wants to sisters of 15,000 rand from ugogo Skhotheni. That's all she wants. Cash, guys. I'm just like, no, sis. Now usuqubulile cash usuhamba nawo usuya kugogo Skhotheni. I'm like, how? Uthi nje wafika lapha nomnika ugogo Skhotheni. She's just been rude to her. She's not paying the money. But guys, why are we making people pay for our podcasting gig? Hey guys, that's like so crazy. I'm just like, sifika nini? I'm just like, sifika nini lapha? Ngoba you still gonna make money. I'm a podcast, have you seen? I have 100 and something thousand views. How much is that? I was looking at Nozipho's one. 200 and when she was talking to Laqongo. Njoba sebesifuthi Laqongo unamanga the stuff that she was saying there about Jay-Z or Jacob Zuma and how they met ukuthi wayeqhikiza in but all those things are lies. I'm just like, asikho lapho manje angithi guys. Asibuyeleni futhi. I'm just like, how angeke ugogo Skhotheni guys akanikeze ingane imali yakhe. I don't know what are your thoughts on that, but ngifila ukuthi akanikeze omunye umntana imali yakhe uzomhlanyela. And yabo manje mase bethathe bafaka social media bazokudonsa. And also ugogo Skhotheni hasn't really been saying much around indaba ka-sisters. Yeah, akani u-sisters u-15 wakhe guys. Fine kakubhaliswanga anywhere, and u-sisters might be looking like njengohlanya right now, but uyazi ugogo Skhotheni and the people that work for her ukuthi u-15 sawuqoqa sawubala at the studios or at her house. I'm not sure what's going on, but yeah, you know. Sisase lapho-ke guys. Izitori seqhamuka futhi ezasisilo kade shada uzozibini. Ngoba guys yabona uyifika eJohannesburg akukho ukuphumula. Ngithole nje indaba nami ekseni. Yazi futhi angikazange ngicelele indaba. Ngavele nje ngaxoxa lo muntu oqoqa ukuthola iWhatsApp, wathi iWhatsApp ngithola kanjani uzozibini le ndoda ade shada nayo some girl ushiyiwe kwathiwa I know it's a weekend, ilong weekend ngeke ngize ngibona but basogela wasola. So utshela lo mina engimaziyo uyamxoxela ukuthi I know umuntu wami loyana. What? How is that your person? What, hey boyfriend wami leyana t-shirt anozosibini. Guys, I'm done. This is why about nje into zomjolo ziziyanyisa guys, and uzobuloku post umuntu wakho kuthiwa yobethu loyo nathi sikhona lapho su5 we are inside. I'm just like, guys, kwenzeka kanjani kodwa nkosami indaba kazozibini? Ngoba I really thought Luthando have a right in, but there was just something about their photos. Luthando doesn't look happy in the photos. Angazi if guys, it's just one picture where I saw when they were coming out. That picture I liked a lot. But ezinye bebambene and stuff. Uzozibini was just nje hold like ebambelele into the jacket. Brothers doesn't look right there. Uloke bega akekho right. Uyasolisa vele. After I heard the story, I was just like, this could be true. Lo uneyindaba. And someone was just saying ukuthi uyazi ama-long weekend aneyitori eyazazi-ke vele le. So sisters, if she does stay in this relationship, she's gonna be a mistress for the rest of her life. Like I said, ukuthi khona nje abantu badaliwe isidalo ba ama-mistresses and they don't have a problem. Abanye-ke nje uzashade futhi umuntu akutshele ukuthi futhi actually ngiyashada this weekend, uthi wena no it's fine ngizokulinda inye. Guys lalela, umuntu akasekho. I've decided like hayibo umjolo kanti unjani nomshado and stuff. I'm like, uthando guys, I didn't expect that from him. And you know what was crazy about him? I didn't know him. I was like, I'm so rich. And guys, no, he's not rich at all. He has no money. Uyirana eKaya FM. Akushongo mina guys. Don't say it. But uyirana ubutoko. Ngathi okay. And then we content creator as well on the side. But I haven't seen him on the scenes. My social scenes angakamboni, but uyirana eKaya FM. Akushongo mina guys. Sizoma lapho. Thank you so much. Nginsanda over.